Let's see if I stand up maybe. All right, take 42. Hello YouTube, it's me again, my famous saying there. Welcome to Ganawagi Utah's garage and workshop. Basically this is just me recording myself in my spare time, sharing what I do with all these fellow people on YouTube. I have 205 subscribers as this video has been recorded. Thank you very much to all the people for clicking the subscribe button, click like, and join the channel. If you don't like this kind of thing, I won't be upset if you don't join. If you want to help me out, join the channel and watch a video once in a while. Sometimes I got my kids on here. I like to collect old tools. I like to use tools. I like to build things. I'm in the process of a year-long tinkering with a Wilton vise that's given me hell. I like to play with all kinds of tools. I like building stuff out of steel. I'm going to be... Basically, I've been told I'm a tool channel because I got lots of old tools. I like old tools. They're good. Sometimes I fix my kids' baby carriages. I'll be fixing my cabinets. I've been doing all kinds of stuff. A lot of metal work, very little woodwork, and just a lot of tinkering. I like to scrap things. I'm thinking of building one of those little forges and melting stuff down, so I have a lot of junk here. Just random stuff, and I like to learn how to do stuff. Keeps my kids busy. My daughter likes coming here, tinkering with it. She invented a game called Stack Nuts, which is kind of funny. There won't be a lot of smiling, but there'll be a lot of stupidity in here, me saying dumb shit. So if you like that kind of thing, I got old vices, old drill presses, old everything, old screwdrivers. I got little screwdrivers. I got big old screwdrivers. Right now I'm doing a Freddy Krueger Halloween build, sort of fun of it. And if you like that kind of stuff, come and join my channel. I'm just doing it. This is what I do every night anyway, so I'm just sharing what I do, and like, you know, I'm gonna fix this Dake arbor press that I got. And yeah, so got all kinds of junk on my bench. You'll see a lot of bench cleaning videos because I'm constantly making a mess, and I clean up the mess on video. And I just, oh, and like I've been told, I like to talk a lot. So if you like a shiny forehead, round belly, Fat Nancy's t-shirts, Carhartt shirts, and hear me go all the time, well, that's me. So like, subscribe, don't click the bell because it's annoying. If you want to click the bell, go right ahead, but I can't stand the bell. It's like bing, 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 all these things. So, you know, thanks for watching. And oh, by the way, check all the what do you call it, the people listed below. And if you wonder why I'm squinting, it's damn lights in my eyes. I could do better with the lighting, but you know what, screw that. This is the lights I got. This is what I'm using. Enjoy. Thanks a lot.